going on, everyone? Thank you guys again for tuning in for the channel. Today is tuning day. Well, basically I'm dropping the car off today to the tuner. He's gonna be do the final inspection on the supercharger, make sure everything is okay. Just put the bumper separately. Can't drop it off. Car's already there. I don't know if you can see it. So there. But I'm here at Automotive. They actually did the tune for me. When I first did the tune for the car, it was basically tune when I get the EcuTech tune. But they're the one that tuned it for me, so I thought, I like the customer service really good, so decided to come back, and they're gonna be doing the supercharger tune, so very exciting. What's going on, broski? Thank you guys again for tuning in for another video. Today's be a little bit going into depth about the Vortec, bringing it in and everything. I know I haven't been recording in a while, but it's just vacation, and then it's just working and everything. It's just been piled up all that same, but we're back at it again today. So today actually I will be taking my car to my cousin's body shop, Drivsport, and I'm actually gonna get this fixed because the bumper is actually sagging. And like last week or so, I was driving on the highway, and my whole side marker came out and actually ended up breaking. So the whole bumper just came out like this, but I'm not too sure exactly what it is that's going on with it. I'm not too sure, but I'm actually taking it back, make sure everything's not bent or no, because I did change the trim that goes under the headlight to support the bumper, but I ended up getting a little scratch up here when I was trying to fix that and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna go with the Vortec. So far so good. I mean, I like everything about it. The throttle response is very, very good. Driving, you feel the difference. It's not much that it made on the dyno. It made about 260, 270, but it's like 80. It's like 80 at first. Before the whole Vortec, it did about 180, 186, 190 around there. So right now it's like a 260, 270, but you feel the difference. I don't know, it's very, very good. Maybe in the future, maybe add go stage 2, get the smaller pulley for it, and maybe do high 280s, maybe 3. But so far so good. Like, I mean, I don't want to do too much to it, but I want something that's gonna be very, very reliable. And the Vortec so far is very satisfied. I'm very, very satisfied with it. Very good, and maybe do a couple more changes to it in the future. But for now, it's very, very good. I mean, right now I'm just trying to get everything else clear with the body and make sure everything's good. I'll see you guys there. Alright, broski, so I got my cousin right here, Edwin. He's a co-owner of Drivsport, and he's gonna be the one working on the bumper and see what it's the cost and everything for the sag. But here's my cousin over right here, man.
Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Edwin. I'm co-owner of Drivesport. So we're a body shop based in the DMV area. We do a lot of custom paint work and paint parts, any panel, stuff like that. So right now we're gonna check out my cousin's bumper. He has fitment issues right here in the corners, both corners. So we're gonna take off the bumper and try to see what's the problem. Holding it onto the car from the bottom, right?
Yeah, but it's holding it on from the other side, the left side. So I think that's why I was thinking it would be better for us to lift it on this side.
Without the rods, we would have to pre-drill more holes in here
to clip it on.
Yeah, but we need to see if there's,
because I think Henry was telling me that it might be El plástico que está ahí que lo está poniendo para abajo, pero también.
¿Este?
No, el que está abajo. Right with the
Nah, dude, it's too thin.
Sit
Well, it is. You see these,
It's scraping,
these
you see?
points? Yeah, it's
That
hitting.
is hitting. So I don't know, we might have to cut into it, or if not, you think maybe if you put the other bolt in?
You can't push it because look, it's too thin. When your splitter gets pushed up, it's when it gives it the cook.
Supercharger, and this thing was just getting away. So I think I'm gonna just cut that thing out because it didn't really serve a purpose. So I think I might cut that out.
You wanna cut it out? We can do it now.
Yeah, cut it out because mira, look. Even when you have it here, you see it presses the plastic down. Because a sag, it used to never be that bad. It's just, I don't know what honestly happened. Because for the moment,
it was cutting it. It was cutting the circulation on there.
Yeah, because it was bent, like, you know, the tubos, when you bent them, they're like bent like this. That's what, yeah, that's what I want to see.
Check it now. Just let it shoot.
Hey, you know for the longest I had so much bug marks on this
windshield. You always want to, every time you check something like that, you always want to make sure that it's functional because it's already off.
Yeah.
So what if you have put everything back on and then you try to test it and it wouldn't work, then you would have to take everything back off.
You're right. That's one thing I think we messed up because when we put the supercharger in, we did all the fabrication, but we didn't really test fit some of the parts that we had to modify. So that's one thing we had. So now we got windshield washer fluid. So it's lit. Does this one come out of that one? Yeah, kinda. My question is, if it's angled, the hole has to be angled, right? It can't go straight down, right? Or can it?
Now, when we make the hole here, we'll just angle it, and we'll mark it, and we'll drill the hole right there. And it'll stay like that.
Like that?
Just like you see it right now, like this.
Yeah. Alright, let's do angled. I see. Just the way you got it right there.
You like it better angled?
Yeah, because if I do an angle, you still see the vortex, and then it actually gives it a little more clearance too.
Yeah, and it'll lift it up higher.
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright, angle. So you got like a Sharpie? You able to get it to work?
Yeah. Keep in mind, because when your splitter hits, it's gonna shave off the screw.
Really? Oh yeah,
If
because
it
it's deep.
scrapes, it's gonna shave off.
Yeah, I got you. I'll try to angle it. Finally got the front bumper down, so it's finally stopped sagging, and well, it was due to the cause that it was basically when I put the front lip on the car, which was a long time ago. I put it on a little bit long, so it was a little bit misaligned. So we had to put it a little bit back, and that actually, we had to drill new holes on the carbon fiber lip, and that actually helped us get it lined up to where the bumper's supposed to connect to. But now the problem I'm having is that the front bumper, after a while, the clips that are on the side where the side markers are at, they got worn out after me trying to force them in after a while. So I just got to get a new front bumper in, so that way he could get so they can clip on correctly. But everything else is lined up, it's ready to go. Got the new struts on it, so it actually looks a lot better. I like the way it looks, and then now I can actually drive the car like I wanted to, because before that was actually straightened out. So now I can actually drive the car the way I want to. I could finally do a launch without me worrying about front bumper falling off or anything else falling off in the front end. So again, thanks again to Drivsport. I mean, they did their thing. They helped out. They came. They lined it all up. They had to take the front bumper off, and whew, huge shout out to them. So I actually haven't done this since supercharger. So let's see how this turns out today. So I'm about to launch the car, see how it goes. Wait for it. I think it'll look further. The wheel spin on that is crazy. I didn't even think I was gonna get that much wheel spin, but Jesus, that thing, oh shoot, that thing was dope. Wow. Yeah, supercharger works, everything else works, so it's really, really good. I like the way it feels, especially the launch. It has a lot more wheel spin, but we'll get that little shine up. But it's nice. It's very nice. Highly satisfied with the supercharger. It actually came out to be more than what I expected. I mean, it's not doing much horsepower. When I took it to Pure Automotive to get it done, huge shout out to them. They made the tune and everything. They got it done at 264 horsepower. The torque, I'm not too sure. They didn't show me the grid, but I got there a little late. I told them to wait for me for the last pull, but it was my fault. I got delayed. It was huge traffic and couldn't get the whole. Couldn't sit there for the last pull, but I mean, I feel the difference. It's at 264. It was previously at 180, like 180 around there. So from 180 to 264 is like what, like 80 horsepower more, but definitely feel the difference. But I still got it. Still got a whole lot of different mods coming in. Got no clutch and a couple other things that I still got to put in. So be on the lookout for that one. But other than that, thank you guys again for watching. Huge shout out to Drivsport and Pure Automotive for the tune. But thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, peace.